Your Christmas will never be the same.
Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, and his little elf crew. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, and his reindeer too. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa. You know what to do. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa. Just twerk it for Santa.
Twerking is the Santa, gotta twerk it like this.
Yes, ma'am. 2 wonderful updates.
Wash your body good.
Yes, ma'am. 2 wonderful updates. Number 1 is this.
What is that?
Yeah, I got this little sticky situation. Found these on, I think on TikTok. You can just stick them to your appliances, and this helps to organize the cords that come from them. Cords are so annoying, especially with this KitchenAid. Every time I have to throw it into my little situation over there, the cord just be all over the place. Finally got one, attached it to the back. It came with these cute little wipes, a wet one and a dry one, so you can clean the area like you're about to do phlebotomy on it. You know, you're about to stick it with a needle.
Ouch, y'all.
Second, while I was doing that, I was calling Cox Communication. Who? That's an internet service, girl. Get it together.
Ow!
They charged me $100 for this technician to come out to give me fiber connected internet because the girl's on fiber now. Yeah.
Why are we going so fast?
It was so frustrating. Maybe like 3 weeks ago, one day, I was like, oh my God, I'm about to rip my modem and my router out of the wall and just throw it into the street. So I called my internet service. Hey, can y'all upgrade this? Can I upgrade this? And they were like, yeah, for $10 more, we can give you fiber connection. I was like, okay, I'm listening. And so homegirl was like, oh, do you have like the box? I was like, what box, girl? She was like, the box is supposed to be like in your apartment. It's like a white box. I was like, no, ain't no box been in here. I moved in here like a year ago. She was like, oh, you're supposed to have a box in there. It's supposed to be already connected to like the fiber optic situation. And I was like, yeah, no. And she was like mad surprised. She was mad shook. She was like, oh my God. Apparently you're not supposed to take it out. I guess the previous tenants snatched it out and like left with it.
Why the f you robbing the store?
I had been overpaying for my internet connection this entire time, and it's been so slow because they keep convincing me that I need to have a certain modem. And so I bought this expensive modem, and that didn't help at all. I mean, the girls who used to rock with me during my live streams remembered how glitchy my live streams used to be, and it's because of this whole situation. Anyway, she was like, oh, since you don't have the box and it should be in there, I want to send out a technician and you won't have to pay for it. Great, love that. Not me going click, 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 boom, boom, boom today and looking at my bill and it's a whole extra $100 on there for that technician.
Rima, I thought we were going to be like BFFs in the house. That's what we said from the beginning. And then you turned on me. Why'd you turn fake on me, Rima?
Why you gotta lie to me, Rima? I thought we was friends, you know what I mean? So I called just now and I was like, yeah, somebody lying. Y'all need to credit $100 on my account. And they did it. With no fuss either. Like, I love that. I love customer service when it just works out.
Exactly. And I told her, I say, ma'am.
Years ago, I would have just been like, I don't want to start no confrontation. I don't want to ruin no customer service worker's day. I would just be charged the extra $100. But, you know, I approached it with good energy. Nice breeds nice. And if it don't, then you need to stay away from that person.
She's not a Christian!
And also what's funny is that she was playing like Biggie or something, because I know she working at home, child. She was playing Biggie in the background. It was like kids playing and Biggie in the background. I said, girl, what's going on over there? The thing said, I love it when you call me Big Papa. I said, girl, do you, as long as that $100 come off my bill.
Trust, you will be dealt with.
Period.
It's a little later. I didn't think I was going to start doing this. I'm watching White Lotus real quick. Hold on. This show is, I'm trying to figure it out. It's like giving zero plot, but really, I feel like the point of this whole show is to just dote on the characters and like rest on them to kind of have them reveal who they are. And that's the whole point, is like exposing personalities and having that be kind of satire for personalities that you would bump into in real life. The rich finance bro, midlife crisis man who can't stop cheating on his wife. The kid who just came home from college and now has a liberal arts education and is very progressive and is clashing with his parents. Like, it's very much that. Anyway, I think tonight I'm gonna film the Twerk for Santa music video, the little intro, child. Cleaned up a little bit so I can clear my space in my energy so I can start doing that. I wrote out like a little sketch of what I want, like the scenes, the lyrics that go with that part of the scene. It's gonna be real simple, easy. But I'm also just opening this package. I feel like I went overkill with it. Why is this so heavy? I guess I need it. It's this tripod. It's for like movie sets. It's like a big tripod. It's heavy too. I'm slowly saving up and then building my collection of technology that can help me escalate the quality of my videos, but also maybe other people's videos, you know what I mean? All right, sis, let's get into it. Okay, I got my camera running. Key light to light me. Practical light here that is, I don't know if you can see, but it's dipping in and out of brightness to mimic a TV effect. I'm gonna be watching TV for the intro scene. Got this running.
Why are you running?
Got some lights in the back, red and green, give you the Christmas vibe. I'm about to change in my pajamas and film the intro. This is so ridiculous. I'm holding my bed on my head so I can get the Christmas stuff out. I gotta get the Christmas Santa suit out for the freaking vlogmas intro.
Sharkeisha!
Oh my God, I don't even know where the rest of the stuff is. Thank God. I put all of the costumes in this one box for the elf, the reindeer, and the Santa. Good morning.
What was that?
Oh, I'm gonna start doing that. Yes, good morning. That's gonna be my new intro.
Why would you do that?
Just got the most expensive package from B&H. It's right here, child. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. I don't know if I'm even gonna take it out right now because I think that I need to do other stuff first. Like, I have a list and priority. So I'm gonna make my smoothie, bananas and strawberries today. How y'all doing? Vlogmas is here. It's starting tomorrow. I have like 3 or so vlogs already kind of pre-batched. And then in a couple of days, I'm headed to Nashville. Gonna go visit my family. I'm also flying my mom out, so we're gonna be staying in like a Airbnb. So that's exciting. I just feel like I have so much to do. This trip is like coming up mad quick. Like, I forgot there's not 31 days in the month of November.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 2, 3, 4, 17.
So I have mixed feelings about Nashville because planning this trip, I feel like it really is light. Maybe there are 2 Nashvilles.
What do you mean by that?
But when I look up things in like Washington, D.C., where I know for sure there's like 2 Washington, D.C.s, at least all the stuff be popping up. You know what I mean? Most of the stuff I won't be interested in, but a lot of the stuff I am interested in. Nashville, I'm not interested in making my own cowboy hat. I'm not interested in seeing where Dolly Parton left the skid mark at her favorite diner.
What?
You know what I mean? Like, I don't care. I'm not too interested in all of that. And then the rest of the fun stuff to do is like bars and bar hopping. I think a lot of people go there for their like bridal showers. So there's like a lot of bridal shower tours. Insta pic tours. Get your Insta pics and we'll like follow you. We'll follow you around town to these fun special areas and we'll take pics for your Insta. Hashtag bridesmaids. Girl, I'm not there for that.
I don't know. I just don't think this is like right for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it.
I think what I'm gonna do is just treat it as kind of a foodie tour. And I'm just gonna go for the food. Me and my mom both, I'm just gonna treat her to like delicious food. And then maybe we'll do like a few historical things. If you're in Nashville, what do you do in Nashville? I'm gonna ask that on my Instagram. I mean, for 2 hours, for how many hours? I started at 10 and I ended at 2. Actually, no, I ended at like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning because I kept playing around with it at the end. But to film and edit an intro and an outro in all of 2, 3, 4 hours.
That is amazing. Wow.
Amazing. I couldn't ask for anything better because I was not trying to spend too much time on this, but I wanted something that was like kind of high quality. I got my outro. Go ahead, play it, child. Don't be scared. Oh, well, now you want to start? Oh, there we go. Hey. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Get it. I'm actually obsessed with it. Every year I try to come up with a new concept for the Vlogmas intro and outro. Like one time it was Santa Claus was having a bad dream and all his elves and reindeer were like acting up and twerking and he was like kind of waking up in and out. And he woke up at the end and realized it was all a dream. He was like, thank God the girls ain't twerking. And then another year it was like Santa Claus being kind of transformed into the by the twerking spirit. And he kind of came ill-dressed. And then by the end of it, he was like fully Santa Claus and like getting down with it. And then what was the other one? The first one I think was just a music video. It was like a rap music video. This one is like me home alone watching TV, turn on the TV, girl, and it's like a bunch of twerking reindeers and elves. But then by the end of it, I'm also turning on like, yeah, this vlog about to be named Tooted Up. I'm about to make this vlog speed up. So grateful that this is finished. Now I can go ahead and export and move on with vlogmas, child. Girl, it's getting scary out here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is my last meal prep. I got 2 more days in here. 1 more day. I need to check what time my flight is in a few days, but I have 1 more day and I don't have any food left after this. And that's when I get most stressed out, is when I run out of meal prep. Gordon Ramsay has this like 10-minute cookbook where it's 10 minutes of preparation, 10 minutes of cooking. I'm finna buy it. Y'all have any recommendations for cookbooks out there? Please, please, please! I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please put them down in the comment section. Just chilling right now. I'm gonna go get my hair cut real quick, and I wanna get that done today. I've been really good as of late of kind of inhabiting the space that I inhabited when I first started YouTube, which is like being so excited about making videos, putting them out, being a YouTuber, filling out the role. I am obsessed with it right now. Sometimes it be irking me. Yeah, when y'all get in them comments and start acting a fool.
Act the fool, act the fool, act the clown. Check it up, check it down. Act the clown.
But right now, I'm loving it. I'm loving the community. I'm loving everybody.
Shout out to everybody.
Child, but so what that translates to is I can film and edit a video in like 1 day. For a little while there, a long while.
A long periodically time.
It was getting a little shaky. I don't know. I was just starting to get real annoyed with having to edit so much. But I love editing. That's like my favorite part of the whole process. Taking a whole bunch of stuff and then editing it down to make a story out of it. Love that. But I also like the idea of kind of amorphous storytelling, where there is no story. The story is like, this is what's happening. And that's typically what vlogs are. They don't have to have like a plot. I'm gonna just do me, edit, have fun. One thing about having shaved sides is that people don't...
Wait a damn minute.
People don't understand the struggle of getting your hair cut, because the girls go up and away. Keep it down here. They try to take off your hairline, or they make your shaved sides section just larger over time. And so if you look closely at my hair, this side is so much bigger than this side. Well, at least I notice it. To me. Okay. One way to prevent that though is before I go to get my hair cut, I will just like gel up the sides of my head to make sure that none of that hair falls below. Brush it up into a little ponytail. This gel is tea. I don't know if I put this in my favorite products video, but this gel right here, the Joey, my gel, amazing. It will slick down anything. How the back looking? I feel like when I do hairstyles like this, I guess I'm just gonna keep it like that. I feel like the back of my head be shaped weird. Okay, I'm okay with this one. But usually it'd be giving Lumpty Dumpty sat on the wall.
Who you calling Pinhead?
Lumpty Dumpty, when you gonna fall?
Answer the question.
I usually don't do top buns, but okay, I'll do it today. And I need to clean this mirror.
Just nasty.
Also, sometimes it's hard for me to pinpoint exactly what's happening, but this week my scalp has been so well behaved. Right here is usually so flaky. All up in here. I mean, the only thing I did differently this time around was I used this, put it on my scalp because I did some flat twists. Maybe I need to go back to kind of like gelling up my scalp or greasing my scalp. It's not necessarily great for moisturizing your scalp, but maybe my particular situation is being helped by it. Oh, wait, this is for your scalp.
Ow!
Apply evenly and directly to the scalp with special attention to areas of pore growth and thinning hair. Oh snap! Okay, this is great. I love this. And that is a wrap on today's video of Vlogmas episode 6. Somebody not doing the math right. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and...
Can I live? Can I live? What have I done to anybody?
I'm about ready to cut this beard off.
Why?
But I can't because now I look like a turtle without it. I'm just sick of the 3-course meals and my beard that I pull out every night. Anyway, like this video. It's a very small thing that you can do that helps me so much. Like, it's actually stupid. So like this video, and if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on everything and everywhere. Just don't follow me in real life. Boom. Because I'll knock you in your face and poke you in your eyes. You want to be poked in the eyes?
Ouch!
Yeah, ouch.
Ouch!
I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.